My dear friends, today I am going to explain a very important topic which should be the topic of today and these days. We are aware of the growing unemployment all over the world. It was there, but after the pandemic, COVID-19 has made our life miserable. More than 200 million jobs have been lost all over the world. In that case, to my mind, this is high time when we talk of green education, green employment and green careers. What are these terms? First, I will tell you about the green employment. Wherever you feel that an organization, an industry, or a service organization, or a government department, or a regulatory body, or a planning organization, or an entrepreneurial organization, or a promotional organization, or an international organization is contributing towards protection of environment. And if persons are appointed there, it is green employment. For example, plantation, tree plantation, nursery development, production of pollution control equipment, maintenance of pollution control equipment, then manufacturing and maintenance of non-conventional energy sources equipment, then garbage management, waste recycling, sewage treatment, or for that matter, teaching these subjects in order to promote green employment will all come under green employment. We talk of construction of buildings through the conventional process, it is not green buildings. But now there are guidelines by every government regarding green buildings. What should be the design of building? Where proper lighting is coming, where less light is required, where ventilation is proper, where low-cost housing techniques are used, where solar energy equipment are kept at the top of the buildings, whether water harvesting facilities are there. All these will create jobs. So this is a unique example and a great idea where we kill two enemies with one single bullet. Suppose killing is unethical, then we can say hitting or warning two enemies with one bullet. There was a time when we used to say the proverb to kill two birds with one stone. But as an environmentalist, I want that in the English dictionary, this proverb should be deleted. Because we cannot give an example of killing a bird, but warning two enemies with one single bullet or having a marriage of unemployment with pollution will all come under the category of green education and green employment. So what is green education? A green education is a curriculum where we teach the green technology. The technologies which are there for manufacturing and pollution control in paper, sugar, leather, petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals, thermal power plants, steel, mining, distillery, leather, etc. may be conventional. So we have to have the green technology so that there is no pollution. So millions of jobs are possible in the area of green technology, green science, There have been many conventions through United Nations and different countries. There are international protocols signed for green technologies. So green technology, one big area. Curriculum has to be designed. Curriculum has to be designed for hydropower engineering at the baccalaureate, bachelor's level, or master's level. Accordingly, for teaching solar power, wind power, all those are to be included in the curriculum of green education. We have to also talk about green fertilizers, green manure, organic fertilizers. We have talked of green farming, that is sustainable agriculture. So in agriculture also there is a scope of greening. Green manufacturing, green business, all those things will come under the curriculum to teach green education as a new specialization. So friends, once we have green education, products are coming, the industrial houses will be motivated to go into these new areas because jobs are many, and motivation is that it will be less polluting and that there is no need of worrying about pollution. Because pollution is causing our health now. Most of the big cities are highly polluted and there is a competition which one is the one, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. So we have to stop that. This is possible only if the depolluting technologies are developed. Once we develop new depolluting technologies, that is also green education. So it is high time that once more and more unemployed persons are there, we have to give refresher courses to prepare them for new careers, and the green career is the future. So this is how we wish to promote green education with a view to having greener careers and greener employment. By doing so, we are sure very soon there will be an attitudinal change in the minds of industrialists, governments, to promote green business, green industry by having green policy, not only regarding taxation, that there is a green taxation which is people friendly, rather green policing. Once a police personnel comes, everybody tries to close their doors. No, when the police comes, they must be greeted. They should be given a cup of tea. And they could be also motivated to participate in the societal system. The developmental role of police, this all come under greening of mind. So there is a vast scope. For today, this is enough. On some other day, we will discuss of different specialized topics on greening. With these words, I thank you once again. May peace prevail on this Mother Earth.